100 buttons. And in order to get out of here, you need to reconcile. Keep in mind, when you save yourselves, you also save Zoe.
Oh no! Zoe!
What the other 99 buttons are, you will find out right now. Be careful, the game has begun.
They bought it! So guys, let's see if my genius plan will help my dad and grandma solve their problems. I can't wait to see them press those buttons!
It's too cold!
In case of fire, press here.
Hey, are you kidding me? It's hot!
Only one button will get you out of here. Good luck.
That's weird.
For the glamorous one.
Oh, wow! Let me try! I'm ready! Ew! I won't try no more!
You don't just randomly press buttons.
Oh, how about that?
Exit.
No, it's not that simple.
Maybe you're right.
For the clumsy one.
Huh?
For the dog lover.
I really love dogs. What a coincidence.
Huh?
What? It's a dog! It's a dog! Come here! You're so cute!
See, it's because of you! Not only we are in danger, but Zoe is in danger as well! This is your fault! This is why you don't listen to
Stop! Acting like a crazy woman! Just listen for me for one! We need to get out of here!
Oh, you little boy! Come on, act like a man and get us out of here!
I'm a man!
What is this?
This is... Mom, you have lost your mind!
Look like
Oh my God! She's lying with this crazy woman!
like a diamond!
I have to save Zoe! These are my lucky! I'm so lucky!
You always wanted a dog, don't you?
Yes, I want it! I have a dog!
Oh,
What?
Got it.
It's some parallel world. Huh?
Stop the challenge.
The button!
Wow! Whoa!
Come get it.
That's it? Yeah?
Lucky versus unlucky.
Oh, no, everything has just begun.
Oh, wait for me!
Oh, who's lucky now?
Hey, you two! If I see a progress in your relationship, you will receive help.
Freshener, what do I need this for?
Freshener!
Alright, I can't be that cruel to them. They're my family after all.
Press the help button! Press the help button! Alright, son. Come on, show me what's your next move is!
We need to get out of here! I can't believe I have lived with this woman for ages.
And guess what? They've always argued like this. But no worries, they have no choice but to accept each other.
Come on!
What?
Nice! I really like that! I want to stay here! What? Seriously? Do we need to go to classes even in the parallel world, huh?
Silence! Prepare for the test!
I bet you'll fail if you become luckier, not smarter.
Really? Huh?
Call me button, help me!
I'm done. What? Shouldn't I be the lucky one?
You did the first test. Other ones won't be difficult for you.
That's not fair!
Welcome to my world.
Oh, I have a choice. Fine. La 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 la. Ah! Oh my God! I should have used another hand. Really? I hate the heck in the breakfast.
What did you say, honey? You would like fried eggs for breakfast?
It doesn't seem like you're getting along. The rules of the game change. You push buttons for each other now.
Ooh, this game looks more and more fun. Are you ready to lose, son?
Mom, this is not competition. Did you hear what she said? We need to get out of here and find Zoe. Oh,
No!
Mom, what are you doing? You're trying to kill me.
I'm so sorry, son. That was a mistake. That's sponge. No, see, Mommy will never hurt you.
Okay, Mom, let's go on.
Oh, this is what I just needed right now. So soft, so warm. Oh, let's go find the canteen. What is this? Look, it's canteen.
Canteen.
Let's
Wait,
go.
it's not so easy. You probably need to finish the game. Can you help us?
Push the button.
Please!
Why?
To open the door!
What? It's not so easy.
Oh, cookies!
Cookies? You're gonna eat your cookies once you finish your dinner.
You know, Coke and Mentos is the best combo.
Coke? Coke!
How dare you disobey me! You gotta go back to your room once we're done with it! And you're gonna think about it! Stop doing it!
I still love you, Taco! I'm loving you, weirdo!
So...
Really?
I'm so hungry. Yeah. Oh. Wow. Cool.
Thank you! Bon appetit!
Thank you. Oh, I gotta go.
Huh? Too much luck?
Dad, you must work on your anger issues.
You what? You call me Dad?
What? You must have noodles in your ears.
Oh, this is very odd. Someone else is mothering my son?
This is no mothering. This is torture.
Remember, in order to get out of here, you need to be good to each other. Don't forget, Zoe's life is at risk.
A little bit of pressure won't hurt anyone, right?
Stop calling me!
That's not gonna be.
Stop calling me! Show some respect to your mother!
Show the respect on your mother.
Oh, I'm sick and tired of listening to them arguing. You know what? Let's play a song.
Música.
Oh, God, my brains.
We're gonna vomit now.
It doesn't work again.
Oh, stop kissing it.
Ew.
Blush.
Oh. What the?
Lily? Are you okay? Lily!
Miss me?
The bathroom again? Oh, look.
For the lucky one.
That's for me. Umbrella? Useless. Where is my luck? Cool.
Lily? Lily?
It's time to have some fun.
Hey! Not useless at all.
I can't see.
For the wild one.
Don't let it go.
Something is crawling on me.
Don't open your eyes.
Why? Thank you.
It's just great.
jealous, son?
What?
Oh, come on, Froggy. Come here.
Oh! We're missing only dogs!
Someone said ducks?
Yay! Ducky, ducky, doo!
That's you, just like when you were a little boy. Time flies. Now you're more of a grown man. Oh, finally! I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna get out of here.
Did you see? If this wasn't happening to me, it's never gonna happen!
Touch them! Shush!
It doesn't seem like you're making any progress at all. Let me show you why you're here.
I'm late! I'm waiting my time!
Oh, what are you doing here, son?
Hello, Mom. I'm trying to fix something from the house. Everything is broken here.
Oh, that's very beautiful. But it took you too many years to manage to cut the wood.
Thank you, Mom. I love you too.
Oh, I need to be more supportive.
Yeah, I don't look myself in there.
Oh, I'm so tired. We need to find the right button.
Yeah.
Exit.
This one? Huh? No. Oh, yeah.
Ready?
Yes.
Go.
What the heck?
Wait. That's just a switch. Look.
Huh? Secret button?
That's what an umbrella is for. Huh.
What is this?
I don't know, but let's find out.
Huh?
Wow!
What if?
More!
Wait! But I was the lucky one, remember? Huh? A coin? Maybe other got stuck. Oh! Let's see. Oh no!
Different world.
Oh, come on, son! Break it! Break it! Son!
Break it! How can it supposed to be breaking?
Break it!
It's supposed to be breaking!
Oh!
Oh! Is that the button?
Oh, that's not fair! That's not fair!
Yeah! Thank you, Mom, for this amazing gift. I know you want to make me happy. I will eat everything by
I
myself.
want you to be more generous, so pass me some of your sweets right now.
No, they are mine.
That's not so fair to my granny. Should I make her feel better?
Hey, this is not fair. It's my time.
Stop the rain! Stop the rain! Stop the stupid rain!
No.
Hey Giorgio, Armani, Bob Jacobs and Tiffany, that DG, Bulgari, Fendi, Beck or just Cavalli. Oh, I can choose. Ooh, I can choose. 'Cause life is good.
So much money and still no taste. Give me money.
What's the sound?
Oops.
What the?
Undo. Sorry, I didn't know. Oh.
exit.
Are you sure that's the one? What?
No, it's a trap.
But it can't be that simple, right?
At least we had fun. France?
Okay, friends.
Your time is running out. Maybe remembering the past will help you out.
Oh, look at your little cutie cheeks. You were such a lovely boy.
Mom, not too cool, please.
We used to be such a good friends, but now you're more of a grown man.
I miss you, Mom.
I miss you too, my little pumpkin pie.
Uh-oh, I think someone's trying to break into my system.
Oh, that's better, Sabbath. What is this thing that looks like a rainbow lolly?
Oh, Mom, this is
Oh,
not
yeah.
lonely. You cannot eat in that. Just let's get out of here and find Zoe.
Good news for you both. You might see her soon if you complete the last challenge. I'm gonna ask you some personal questions. The one who fails to answer will be punished.
Let's do it, Mom. We are almost there.
Hopefully your son knows you better. First question for the son. How your mother used to call you when you were a kid.
My little punky pie.
That's spot on.
I know you don't trust me like a little son, but try my best.
First question for the mother. What is your son most afraid of?
Very easy, of course it's cats.
That's wrong. He's afraid of loneliness.
You remember when you forget me in the supermarket?
Ethan? 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 Huh?
What? Just press the square button.
I said I know.
No. Can you please just stop?
I have an idea.
Why?
I can't even play with one hand. This is so much fun.
Blah, blah, blah.
You hungry? Just wait a minute. What? What have you done? I'm not cleaning that. Whee!
Why are you doing this to me, Zoe?
But I didn't do anything.
Mom, what are you doing? I'm gonna vomit. It's something really warm.
Oh, that's not real warm, you silly boy.
Sorry, Mom, for destroying your moment, but we need to do that.
Do what?
Press all the button. No, press all the button.
Do it, son!
If you look around, you will find an exit button. Only one of you has it. So both get out.
Oh, there is the exit button. It was here.
Oh, we are idiots.
Get out.
My mission is accomplished, so let's go see them.
Zoe, can you really control your boyfriend?
Yes. Let me show you.
Please don't. No, 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 no. Ow, 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 ow.
Detention!
Okay, class, I have an interesting equation for you. Eh?
Hey! Nerd.
Eh? Who drew this? Do you think it's funny? I'll show you funny.
Do you think it's funny? I'll show you fun.
Huh? Stop it!
Hey, stop it.
Mathematics is the queen of all science. Oh,
Mathematics is the queen of all science.
singing competition.
Yes.
Silence! We should prepare. And you do the test.
Oh, well done, Zoe.
Now I'm ready.
I'll find you a better suit.
No. Seriously?
You definitely become a star.
Such a talented boy, like me. Look. Now to the stage. Don't be shy, my boy.
Help me, Zoe.
Okay.
And we have a winner.
Hello.
Hey, man.
Yeah.
Come to my party.
What?
Actually, I did it all.
Oh, no, 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 no. No way, man.
It's okay. We'll have our own party.
Our own party. Wow, you can't play, but at least you're good at cooking.
Excuse me? It's not working! Ethan, it's not working again! Oh God, help me! It's not working! Come on! Don't touch her!
Destroy her.
Don't touch her!
Finish her.
I said don't touch her! Do you want to play another round?
No, how about Monopoly? Hey, you can't put any more houses there.
I can't?
You can have everything.
So, who would you like to control? Let us know in the comments below.